Do you have an idea about Python that you just can't stop thinking about right now? Imagine having the opportunity to be able to share and discuss that idea with the whole European and global Python community. And this is what you can do if you give a talk about this at EuroPython. So my name's Jodie Burchell. I gave a talk at EuroPython last year about how to assess hallucinations in large language models using Python, which is something I'm very excited about. And it was wonderful. I got to discuss this idea with a bunch of really interesting people and I learned a lot. So if this excites you, submit a proposal. The CFP closes very soon and we hope we will see you together with us at EuroPython in July.
Hello, I'm Cheuk, and I have speaking at EuroPython for different things. I have given a workshop before. I have speaking at EuroPython before. So the topic that I've submitted, ranging from data science to testing, whatever. I really like EuroPython. EuroPython is one of the conference that I want to be part of. I want to be in the community. That's why I keep going to EuroPython and speaking at EuroPython. So if you have any ideas, it could be something that you do at work or even your hobby project, please submit something. I'd really love to hear it.
Hi, my name's Max and I previously spoke at EuroPython about malware. Now, it's a really nice community and I'd strongly encourage you to apply, partly for that, but mostly because I've got a friend here who gets very, very angry when people don't apply to EuroPython. And actually, now I think about it, I haven't applied this year, oh no!